And we've got to readjust because it's just too much. So I'm gonna move his leash so he doesn't step on it. Oh, it's yelling at me because I have my arm bent. Doesn't like that. Okay, Benny. Benny. Hi. I need you to stand. Oh, that feels so much better. He's like, did your butt malfunction? What happened to the stand? Stand. There we go. It didn't work the first time, did it? Your butt malfunction? Oh, she's like, it's just wobbly. It is this is an extra wobbly bed. There's extra cushion in here. Okay. Okay. Much better. We're all good.